Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. It's snowing here in December in Wisconsin. I just picked this up in trade. We did meet in a clean parking lot, so I could get it up, run it through the gears. Everything worked real well. Low mileage bike. You can tell it was used as a commuter. Wear on the center of the front tire, but not really on the sides. Can't tell if it's ever been laid down. Bike looks really clean, really nice. You can see the nubbies are on the outsides of the tires, but not the middle. Bone stock, super clean. The oil was clean. It's only 9 degrees here, so it was a little project to warm it up. 6,407 miles. Everything works. Like I said, it's really cold here in Wisconsin. So if you need parts for your CBR, let us know. We've got beautiful ones. We keep this bike together, except this time of year, we're going to take it apart. So let us know what you need. The flickering on the lights is actually from the snow coming down in front of them. They're not flickering when I'm looking at it. Make sure you subscribe to see what else we've got parts for that we're taking apart. And check our eBay site to see what we've got part ready and for sale. And if you don't see what you need, let us know. Thanks a lot.